Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Where were you yesterday evening?
I was at home.
Why were you late for school today?
There was traffic.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
What were you doing at this time yesterday?
I was studying.
How were you feeling yesterday?
I was feeling tired.
What was she wearing to the party?
She was wearing a red dress.
Why were you absent yesterday?
I was sick.
What were they cooking for dinner?
They were cooking spaghetti.
How was your trip to the beach?
It was amazing.
What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about my future.
Where were they going on vacation?
They were going to Hawaii.
How was the food at the restaurant?
It was delicious.
What were you reading last night?
I was reading a novel.
Where was he born?
He was born in London.
How was your day at work?
It was busy.
What were you doing on your phone?
I was texting a friend.
Where were they going for lunch?
They were going to a cafe.
Why was she singing?
She was happy.
How was your visit to the museum?
It was informative.
How was your day off?
It was relaxing.
What were they discussing in the meeting?
They were discussing budget cuts.
Where were you when you lost your keys?
I was at the park.
What was the weather like yesterday?
It was sunny.
Who was at the party last night?
Rishi and Ruby were there.
Which book were you reading?
I was reading Harry Potter.
How many apples were there in the basket?
There were 5 apples.
How much money did you spend at the store?
I spent $20.
Who was singing in the choir?
Ruby and Tom were singing.
Were you late for class yesterday?
No, I wasn't.
Which restaurant did you go to for dinner?
We went to Pizza Hut.
Was he tired after the long journey?
Yes, he was.
Were the shops open on Sunday?
No, they weren't.
Was she wearing a blue dress?
No, she wasn't.
Were you studying when I called?
No, I wasn't.
Was it sunny yesterday?
Yes, it was.
Were they playing football in the park?
Yes, they were.
Was he busy yesterday?
Yes, he was.
Were you at home when the delivery arrived?
No, I wasn't.
Was she excited about her birthday?
Yes, she was.
Was he upset about the news?
Yes, he was.
Were you happy with your birthday present?
Yes, I was.
Was she reading a book in the garden?
No, she wasn't.
Were they friends in school?
Yes, they were.
Were they happy with their results?
Yes, they were.
Who was your best friend in school?
Rachika was my best friend.
Who was cooking in the kitchen?
Mom was cooking.
Was it raining when you left?
No, it wasn't. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.